Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this wireless adapter for your vehicle to go ahead and run your phone's car software. Now, first off, I just want to show you, this is the adapter right here. You'll notice it's really nice and small and compact here. This is a USB-A adapter, so you'll go ahead and remove this protective cover there, and then go ahead and plug it into your vehicle's USB-A port, and just make sure that that port does support this car software function on the port itself. And once you have it plugged in, all you have to do is then go ahead and connect your phone to the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth of this adapter here. And once you have that set up, then it will start running. I've been really impressed with this setup. It's really easy to use. I love that it's wireless too. Every time I turn off and on my vehicle, I can actually just go ahead and load right back up into that kind of car software from my phone. It makes it really easy to run, and I really like that a lot. Also, I did want to just show you really quickly that you do have a USB-A to USB-C adapter here that they do include. So if you want to go ahead and actually plug the wireless adapter right into there, and then maybe your vehicle only has a USB-C port, you could go ahead and use that adapter as well. I really like this wireless car software adapter right here. I think it's really nice and high quality, and I'd highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.